Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 architecture so you get the correct installer. Open Settings, go to System About, and note x64 or x86. Once done, open your browser, search for the official 7-zip release, and download the matching exe into Downloads. Make sure to temporarily pause any antivirus that habitually blocks unknown installers. This avoids false positives. You're ready to run the installer, so don't delay, move to the Setup step next. You right-click the downloaded exe and choose Run as Administrator to grant permissions. Accept the UAC prompt. During installation, choose the default folder under C, /program files /7zip unless you need a custom path, and click Install. Once installed, open 7-zip File Manager and go to Tools Options to associate file types like 7z, zip, and Tarso Explorer uses 7-zip by default. Make sure Shell integration is enabled for context menu. You verify success by right-clicking an archive and selecting 7-zip extract here. Extraction should complete normally. If the context menu isn't visible, reopen 7-zip's options and enable the shell extension, then restart Explorer or reboot to reload shell handlers. If the installer fails, rerun it as administrator, check Event Viewer for install error codes, and re-download the installer to rule out corruption. Once everything works, re-enable your antivirus and optionally run a quick scan for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.